Hey guys, my name is Mace here at South Bay Hyundai, and today we're gonna do something unique. We're gonna take a spin in the all-new 2025 Ioniq N. Let's check it out. And I gotta say, initially, I'm not even pressing on the pedal and this thing is going. I'm a little excited. Oh, appreciate you, lady. It's definitely eco mode. I like how this feels. If you like hugging the road and feeling the road, this might be the one for you. We're gonna go all the way straight. Pickup's nice. Still a bit smooth. Okay. I'm gonna turn down the regenerative braking. All right, let's do it. Okay. Okay. Nice. That felt good. So yeah, this is definitely tightly hanging on wherever I turn. I wish I could actually rip it, but you know, this is technically a residential area. We're on a test drive, obeying rules and stuff like that. This guy let me go first. He must know what's up, you know? And usually I would go back that way and come out on the same street, but I want a little straightaway here. We're good. Yeah, I like it. The way it handles corners, how low it is to the ground. I might be able to do without the noise, but we can talk about that later. But the overall build, overall comfort, speed, and just the feel of the drive, I like this. The steering wheel feels good and comfortable. These seats are great. And if you haven't had a chance to sit in these seats, even if you sat in the 5 before, sit in these seats. It might change your mind. Take us back through the back way. Actually, they left me space. I'm gonna just... Yeah, I can see myself zipping around in this. Oh, one day we should go to a racetrack. So I can actually hit some corners. Yeah, and this one's more comfortable than the XRT as well. And then of course you got the in mode, so you're gonna get some extra performance. Yeah, I like this one. And the design too. Yeah, I get in this and I just want to go. Check out the cameras real fast. Yeah, nice 360. Dynamic guidelines. And we're all set. All right, guys, so we just checked out and drove the Ioniq 5 in. If you have any questions, if you'd like to take one for a spin yourself, please come on by, set an appointment. My name's Mace.